Today I want to show you how to make healthy, sprouted, easy for digestion, amazing buckwheat flour, homemade buckwheat flour. First thing that we need to do is to soak buckwheat. As for nuts, for quinoa and also for buckwheat, please use the water that you drink. Why? Because nuts, buckwheat and quinoa, they absorb water and you will eat it. So pour right now what you drink daily. We need to leave it to soak just for like 40 minutes, up to 1 hour. You don't need to soak it longer than 1 hour. Very important, you need to soak raw buckwheats. It's not kasha, it's not brown buckwheat, it's raw groats, raw buckwheats. Let's wait 40 minutes. Discard the soaking water and rinse your buckwheat very well. Arrange the buckwheat between two bowls. Cover them with a cheesecloth or thin kitchen towel. Now is the time for sprouting. Buckwheat requires about 24 hours to sprout. I highly recommend rinsing them each hour on the first day and then rinse after the night. Once you see the first tails, they should not be very long. Start drying buckwheat. You can use a dehydrator or oven. Set 46 by Celsius or 115 by Fahrenheit and dry for 12-15 hours. If your oven has a higher lowest temperature, keep the door open like I do in the video. In the middle of drying, you can stir the buckwheat. This is a completely dry sprouted buckwheat. So how to know that it is completely dry? So you can take just one groat, press it, and you will get like a powder. So it's very easy to press and destroy it. When it is not soaked and not sprouted, you can try to do the same, but you will see that it is very hard to do. It's impossible to squeeze, to press on the raw groats. Now we can ready to make a sprouted, healthy buckwheat flour. The process is super easy. We just need to blend everything and sift, and then enjoy the recipes. It's literally 30 seconds because it is very dry. I show it to you, and now let's sift it.